Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss concatenation operators. Well, what are these concatenation operators? Well, we have already discussed this. These are the two types of concatenation operator, plus sign and and sign. And we have also seen that if we use these concatenation operators with variable type integers, then the result of the plus and sign would be different. And if we use these concatenation operators with strings, then the result would be same for plus sign and sign. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Here I have opened my Excel file. Now I'll be going to developer, then Visual Basic. Or you can directly press Alt F11. Now I'll be going to insert user form and I'm going to drag and drop this command button. Here it is command button. Actually I'm going to perform this concatenation operators whenever I'm going to press this command button. So I'm going to write one function for this command button. So how do you write code under command button? Well, we just double press it. First, I'll be declaring my variables. dim a as integer, dim b as integer, dim c as integer. Now I'm going to assign some value to a. Value of a I am assigning as a 10 and the value of b I am assigning as a 5. Now I am going to write my expression c is equal to a plus b. And I am to see the value of the C under message box. The value of C in expression of C is equal to A plus B is and C. Now I am going to write my next expression. C is equal to A and B. Here I am going to display the value of C under our message box. Message box, the value of C under the expression of C is equal to A and B is C. Now we'll be running this program. How do we run the program? Well, we can directly press F5 button or we can press this run button. Now here is this command button. If you press this command button, it would be giving us the first expression value. The expression was C is equal to A plus B. The value of A was 10 and the value of B was 5. So it should give the result as a 15 if it is dealing with the integer value. Yeah. It is giving the 15 as a result. The value of expression C is equal to A plus B and the value of C is 15. So it is correct. Now it will be giving the output for the next value where we have written the expression C is equal to A and B. So it will be writing the value of first A and then it will be writing the value of B and it will be giving us the result. And the value of C is 105 under the expression of C is equal to A and B. So here we have seen the value of C for this plus and sign. Now we will be changing our value of A, B and C as a string and we are going to perform the same operation and we are going to find out what would be the value of C in case of string. Here I am going to replace the type of the variable as a string and also I am going to assign the value of string to A and B. For A I am going to assign my name as a variable. So here I am going to assign my name as a string for A and for B I'll be assigning my surname. Now we will be writing the same expression which we have written earlier. C is equal to A plus B and we will be showing our message box the value of C for the expression C is equal to A plus B is and C. And we are going to write our next expression C is equal to A and B and we are going to see our value of C under message box. The value of C for the expression C is equal to A and B is and C. Now let's run this program. I am pressing this run button this time. Now I will be pressing this command button and it will be giving me the value of C is equal to A plus B in case of A and B both are string. So here the value of C is Pawan Patidar where we have run this expression. Now we will be running our next expression and we will be seeing our value of C. So the value of C is Pawan Patidar for this expression. Now in our example we have seen that if we use A and B as an integer and if we perform plus and AND operators then the result would be different, and if we are using A and B as a string then the result would be same. That's it guys. Thank you for watching my video.